All right, I believe this video meets you well. In this video, I will teach you the pentatonic scale and how to make use of it. Quickly, the pentatonic scale and how to make use of it. Now, the pentatonic scale is also called the major diatonic scale on the keyboard. It's a scale that is used in popular jazz songs. It's even used in classical music, and it's also used in Nigerian song, in African songs, in different genres of music. The pentatonic scale is well accepted. In fact, it is one of the first scale you should go to when learning how to improvise and play on songs. Now, using the key of C sharp, the pentatonic scale comprises of the major diatonic scale, which is the do, re, mi, fa, sol. Except you take out the fourth and the seventh. What I mean is the pentatonic scale is the diatonic scale without the fourth and the seventh. I think that's the better thing. So instead of do, re, mi, fa, which is the 4 and the 7th, we are doing do, re, mi, sol, la, do. That is the pentatonic scale. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do. That is the pentatonic scale. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do. Pentatonic scale on C sharp. So we have on C, on E flat, on E, on F, on F sharp. You understand? Do, re, mi, sol, la, do. Now, how can we make use of this scale in a song? Let's say we are playing a song like understand? These are scales that you can use at the progression of songs that you are playing. So that is why that's pentatonic scale. You understand? Since we are on Sol, G sharp, we can use the scale on Sol now. You understand? So you can play the scale on the progression of song that you're playing at that time. So F sharp, which is so you see that I've been using the pentatonic scale. I've just been using it. It's very simple. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do. Learn the right fingering. There are different fingering. There are different finger patterns for the different pentatonic scales in different keys. For C sharp, for example, it starts with the index finger. So we have index finger, we have the middle finger, we have the thumb, we have the index finger, we have the middle finger, and we have the ring finger or the pinky finger. But if you need to proceed, we'll have index, middle finger, thumb, index, middle finger, ring finger. You understand? No. And your thumb. So that is all. If you need to proceed, it's your thumb plays the 1, then your index finger continues, your thumb continues. So that's how it proceeds. So I believe you understand the pentatonic scale. If you have any question on this scale, kindly put it on the comment section. If you understand very well, let me know. If you have any question on any other thing, comment section. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you very much. Peace out.